Hello everyone. So welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So today we are going to see the various interview rounds for a software tester, junior, senior, or at a QA lead level. What are the different rounds that are happening and what are the interview questions asked for a software tester for this company, Gumo IT Services Private Limited. So it is a product-based travel tech e-commerce company, and this is the URL www.gumo.com, and work location is Bangalore JP Nagar. So let us see. There are approximately see. So there would be 4 rounds, and if the first round would be a written test round, so there will be 2 sets in the written test. So first set would be of 30 minutes. Another set would also be of a 30 minutes. So it is comprising of a questions that are related to the programming. So the first thing that they are asking most of the times are automate login page with respect to APM or Selenium. So whichever automation tool you might be comfortable with APM or Selenium, and with Java as a programming language. So Java is their first preference language, and mention all the tools, libraries, types of framework that you are using. Then automate login API with Java as a language and mention all the tools, libraries, type of framework used. Then the test environment, that is the URL, credentials, HTML structure, and API URL was provided. And in the set B again, which was comprising of 30 minutes, they uh, they are expecting you to write a program that is to print all the palindrome word in a sentence and their count. Print the few integer values in an array and verify each number whether they are odd, even, prime, or odd and prime, even and prime. So this is the combination. This is the expectation of the programming that is done in the first round of this company. Now let's come to the second round. Now in the second round, you might get the questions like explain complete framework with folder structure and explain all the tools and for what reason you have used them. That is, you have to explain all the things from the scratch, like this particular library has been used or this particular method has been used. The entire framework, what is the input, what is happening at the time of output, how you are giving the output to the stakeholders, to the test manager, any defects that are getting logged via the automation. Then overloading versus overriding and where you have come across in WebDriver. So you have to explain this Java concept of overloading versus overriding via WebDriver. Then how to handle alert pop-ups. Okay, how will you handle alert pop-ups via Selenium? So you can tell the methods. Then write a test script for any e-commerce scenario after logging into the application. Then exceptions you have come across and what reason they have come and how to overcome them. So you have to tell about the various exceptions that you would have come when you are doing the automation, like stale element reference exception, element not found, element not visible. What is the reason that they have come and how did you overcome it? So they want to know the problems, the challenges, and how did you tackle those problems. Then how do you handle frames? Then have you worked in API manual and automation and APM? So basically it's a e-commerce product based company, so that is why they are asking all this kind of questions from e-commerce scenario point of view. And again, they have got mobile apps as well, so they are interested to know if you know only Selenium or you know only APM or you know Selenium plus APM both. Okay, third round was fully on automation. So some automation script was to be developed, automating paginations in e-commerce application, navigating from 1 to 2 until 5, and here select a Nokia product. So based on various segments of the e-commerce website, like you are selecting some XYZ product from the cart and then adding it to the you are selecting from the list of products and then adding it to the cart. Then you are going to the payment section option, and then you are going to the last option of purchasing it, and then the final email notification would come. The product would get reduced by increment of the number of products you have purchased, right? So all those scenarios, and you have to automate those things. Handling frames and details, like in frame 1 shifting one child frame to another child frame and then shifting to frame 2, etc. So this was the automation script which was to be expected from their side in the third round. Fourth round is again it's an online interview round, or it can be face to face if there is no pandemic. So how to handle dynamic elements, partially dynamic and fully dynamic, why you are going for hybrid framework, what are the demerits, that is pros and cons, and which are the other kind of frameworks. So you have to basically compare and tell them, okay, this particular framework is good, so why it is good, another framework is good, so why it is good. Then explain complete hybrid framework in detail, writing on a board. Okay, so at that time it was a face to face, so the my subscriber was expected to write it on a board. In your career, which is the best 2 months and why, what test cases do you automate, assume there is a project which has not been tested, manually not tested yet, and how do you approach automating it, and it needs to be completed in 15 days. So basically these 4 rounds were for automation QA only, starting from first round written test, which had two sets, set A and B. Second round was there, third round was there, fourth round. Okay, then still another questions are there. Two lifts are there. I'm in second floor. Now write a Java program so that any of one lift which is nearby should come and when we press up button. What are the reasons that sometimes a test case will work fine for one browser and fails for other browsers, and how do you handle it? Explain Selenium grid. Okay, now one more scenario is there. There are 5 medicines, A, B, C, D, E, and few are out of expiry date and few have expiry. The ones that have expiry weights 500 grams. The ones which completed expiry date weighs 490 grams. In one chance, in one shot, how to decide which are rotten and which ones are not. Okay, so this is probability. Permutations and combinations, those concepts are being asked over here. How do you select the framework? Now, if you are applying into this company from a QA lead perspective, so these are the questions. How do you assign the task? How much percentage of work do you do as a lead? How do you interact with the client? Documents you need to prepare as a lead? What are the help you have provided to your team? What exactly is your role? Why test script fails? How much percentage of test script must pass on daily basis? Explain Selenium Grid and what are the systems and OS you have automated. So write code over there. Okay, fine. So 4 rounds for QA automation tester who is applying to this company in Bangalore. This is the website, and if you are applying as a QA lead, then you can get these type of questions. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. Please do like, share and comment on this video so that it reaches to maximum people who are looking out for jobs, who are applying for jobs but they don't know what kind of interview questions are asked. So let us help each and everyone over here. And if you are also applying anywhere, and if you are getting, you are able to face the you are able to get the chance by getting interviewed, or you are getting the job, so please share your interview experience with us so that we can ultimately take it to the community and we can help someone getting the job. Thank you and stay tuned for more updates.